Hello there, guys. Welcome to another session right here at AppSheet and more. Today's video is going to be a reaction actually to a post on the AppSheet community platform. Okay, now if you've used AppSheet before, you will know, or if you've used it for a while, you know that in AppSheet, there's no password type. So what I mean is if you create a login page like this, and this is a login page I created. I'm going to share the video with you so you can access and watch how to create a view like this. But if you create a login page like this, you enter your username and then you enter the password right here. So let me use the password. You see the password is going to show as text, right? Normally passwords are supposed to show something like this, right? So that no one can see what the password is. Is that okay? But then that is not the case for AppSheet. You don't have a password type, basically. So this will bring in the button over here and then you can log in, right? But then quite recently, I came across a post by someone called John who has released an extension that allows you to actually hide passwords in AppSheet. So it does a number of things. It kind of reduces the number of fields you see in the AppSheet editor. What else does it even do? Remove extra spaces from column names, which is also very handy. But what I want to talk about is this one, right? Hiding password, right? So when you have the extension and you check hide password, anything called password would be hidden, which I think for people who want to use this would love it. But I just need to put this caveat out there because the reason why we can't hide password in AppSheet is because it's been intentionally designed that way. Is that okay? So people use their Google account login to control that. So you see this post by a Google developer expert who mentions that hiding password field may need more elaboration by you and all those things because it's actually designed by the Google staff to be that way. Is that okay? But let's see how we can implement it. So I'm going to try and download this extension and see how it works, right? So if you want to download, you just click on Chrome Web Store. Is that okay? You come over here and say add to Chrome, add extension. Is that okay? And you have your extension over here. Okay. Is there anything else I'm supposed to do? Where's the post? Okay, I have to come back here. Okay. So I'll come here. Complete frame, you just unload it and you add it. Okay. So it's over there. So if I click this extension, let me just click this to make it pop up over here. Good. Okay. So then let me come to App Sheets and let's see. Okay. Mhm. All right. So if I open the app like this and I click this over here, enable extension, hide columns. Let me say. So okay, before that, let me just type DNY like this. And then one, two, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so this also still pops up. So let me see if I can change it. Over here, high password. Good. So now let me do this. Wow, guys. Look, it actually works. Oh my God. That's crazy. Is that okay? So you can actually just hide a password in the extension. But I don't think it works with um the app. That's the thing. I think it only works with the web view. But this is nice. So if I just type, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 2, I click this, it works. If I type 1, 3, 3, 2, incorrect password. Wow. Just the thought of the fact that this is actually possible and then you can actually hide the password. That's amazing. Is that okay? Wow. So the password is actually hidden. But let's see, does it work if I have it on the, I don't think it works on the app because I've added it to the extension. Probably unless, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work. But it would kind of be cool, if AppSheet allows this to be possible. I think they have their own reservation as to why they do not want people to take people's password because people might end up entering their actual password and then you don't want app developers be getting access to people's actual passwords. So that's why passwords are not hidden. But then I think it's very cool that you can actually hide your passwords. I think there are also other things that you can do over here from the post. You'll see over here, you can show Lucas Studio, and you can also add 1,000 separator, which for me, both are extremely, extremely creative things you can do. So the Lucas Studio, for instance, you can actually show a Lucas Studio dashboard in your AppSheet application, which, guys, I can't explain how powerful that is. I'm going to actually try it out. I'm going to create a Lucas Studio dashboard. Now they call it Data Studio again. They've changed it back to Data Studio. Crazy. I'm going to create one and then add it to my app and see how it's going to look like with the extension. But that means in your main mobile app, you probably wouldn't see because the extension only works with the web application. But this is fantastic stuff, guys. Fantastic, fantastic stuff. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link to this particular view because it's quite hard to find this on the AppSheet webpage, an AppSheet community page. So I'm going to leave this link in the description of the video. So please check it out, show some love, check out the Chrome extension, and then let me know what you think in the comment section. And then I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.